Welcome to day 6 of the 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. You've been showing up every day and that consistency is paying off. Today's focus is all about lower body burn, steady movement, deep control, and muscle endurance. Let's warm up and get your body ready to move. Step on your vibration plate and get centered. Feet shoulder width apart, knees soft, and core engaged. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the vibration travel through your legs, loosening up your joints and activating your muscles. Shift your weight side to side gently and feel your balance improve with each movement. Your quads, glutes, and calves are waking up. You've done this before. Now your body knows what to expect. Use this time to mentally check in. What's your energy today? Set your intention. Maybe it's a smoother form, deeper squats, or just finishing strong. Stay tall, get focused, and get ready for your first interval. You've got this. Interval 1 begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You know what to do. Nice job on that first round. Take this moment to breathe and feel that burn. That's your strength building. Keep your legs loose, bend your knees slightly, and shift your weight side to side. Remember, rest is part of the process. It's how your body absorbs the work you just did. Deep vibration is helping your circulation, muscle recovery, and core stability, even while you rest. If you're sweating, that's a good sign. Your body's working efficiently. You've built great momentum over the past 6 days. Let's carry it into the next set, smooth, controlled squats. You're stronger than when you started. Let's keep that energy going. Coming up next, interval number 2. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Set your goal and set your intensity. Come on, finish this interval strong. You're doing amazing. Let's use this break to catch our breath and reset for the final round. This challenge isn't just physical. It's mental. It's about pushing past the moment when your muscles want to quit and reminding yourself, I can handle this. I'm getting stronger every day. Feel that vibration helping to release any tension in your legs. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Inhale power, exhale doubt. Your consistency is transforming you, one squat at a time. Now get ready for the final interval. This one seals the deal for day 6. Our final interval begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Your final 8 squats for day 6. Make it strong. And that's it. Day 6 complete. You made it through another powerful session of your vibration plate challenge. Now let's cool it down. Keep your feet planted and let the vibration plate gently relax your muscles. Take slow, deep breaths. Feel your heart rate begin to settle. This is your time to recover. Your body is still working, rebuilding, and getting stronger. You've now completed 6 days in a row. That's an incredible dedication. Lock your knees and lean forward and feel that vibration through your hips and lower back. Now do some shoulder rolls forward and backwards to help decrease some of the tension. Remember, progress is built on consistency, not perfection. Every session, you're mastering control, balance, and strength. Now alternate shrugging your shoulders to relieve some of that tension. You've worked hard today. You did it. Be proud of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7, stability and strength. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You're unstoppable. Go ahead and give yourself a hand as we finish out these final seconds. See you tomorrow for day 7. Bye.